how to sell cryptocurrency on Binance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can sell your cryptocurrency on Binance application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your Binance application, and inside here just head over to your search section. Let me just do this letter for now, and inside here just search in for Bitcoin. Once you search in for Bitcoin, just make sure you have selected the right option, that is BTC USDT. If you want to receive it in USDT, sell it in USDT, simply click on this first option over here, and as you can see there is an option called sell. Just click on it and just make sure you have enough funds of BTC available before selling it, and from here just enter the amount of BTC you want to sell and simply click on sell BTC, and that is exactly how you can sell cryptocurrency on Binance. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.